So now pay attention. Question number 34. X, Y, and Z were in partnership, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. On 1st April 2020, Y retired. Y has taken retirement. Creditors, bills payable, expenses owing, general reserve, and capital of all partners are given. Let's see in asset side, cash in hand, cash at bank, debtors, stock, premises, machinery, loose to all general items are given. Then let us see the goodwill of the firm was valued 1,35,000. Expenses owing to be brought down to 37,500. Machinery and loose tools are to be valued at the rate of 10% less than their book value. Factory premises are to be valued at 2,43,000. Show revaluation account. Here we need to prepare revaluation account, then partners capital account, and then prepare balance sheet of the firm after the retirement of the Y. A complete question, children. Question number 34. Let's start with question number 34. Ready? So here first working note we will start with, because Y is taking retirement and goodwill of the firm is 1,35,000. So first we calculate the goodwill of the Y. Fine. Goodwill of the firm is 1,35,000 and Y share is 2 by 6. Let's calculate 2 by 6. 1,35,000 divided by
Sir,
3.
45,000.
45,000. And who will give this 45,000 to Y?
Sir, X and Z.
X and Z. X and Z, and in which ratio? Because in the question nothing is mentioned about the ratio. So if their ratio is 3:2:1, Y has taken retirement. So the new ratio of X and Z is 3 is to new ratio of X and Z is 3:1. This is their new ratio as well as their gaining ratio. So they are gaining in 3:1. So that's why they will distribute in 3:1. So let us calculate here how much X will give. 45,000 divided by 4. 11,250. Z will give. And 33,750 X will give. I hope this point is clear to everyone. So let's prepare a revaluation account. Let's start revaluation account. Let me see the point. Expenses owing to be brought down to 37,500. You can see expenses owing are 45,000. Now it is coming down to 37,500. Means 7,500 is coming down. Expenses owing. So what to do? Credit side. 7,500. Then second point, machinery and loose tools are to be valued 10% less. Are to be valued. It means we need to deduct 10% of machinery. Machinery is 80,000. When we reduce, it will come in debit side. 10% of 80,000 is 8,000. Again, loose tools are to be valued 10% less. So loose tools 40,000. 10% of 40,000 is 4,000. To loose tools. 4,000. And then factory premises are to be revalued at 243. Children, factory premises are given 2,25,000. Now it is to be 243. So 35,
18,000.
18,000. It is increasing by factory premises. by 18,000. Okay, all points are over here in this question. Let us do the total. 18 plus 7, 25,500. 25,500 minus 12,000. It is 13,500. Gain to gain transfer to partners capital account. The name of partners are X, Y, and Z. X, Y, and Z, and in which ratio? 3 is to 2 is to 1. So we need to divide 13,500 into 2 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. Divide by 6, we get 2,250. Okay, 250 multiply by 2, we'll get 4,500. 2 plus 4, 6, 6,750. I hope it is clear to everyone. Revaluation account. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's prepare partners capital account. Preparing partners capital account. X, Y, and Z. X, Y, and Z. Credit side, debit side. So capital account begins from credit side. So let us see X, Y, Z. 1,50,000 by balance brought down. So it is 150, 150, 150. It is given here. 1,50,000, 1,50,000, and 1,50,000. Okay. Let us see. General reserve is given here 1,35,000. So we distribute general reserve by general reserve 3 is to 2 is to 1. 1,35,000 we need to distribute. Divide by 6. 22,500. 45,000 and 67,500. Okay. Now in question, let us see. In asset side, nothing is given. Now there is a gain on revaluation. Okay. So let's transfer by revaluation account. Gain is transferred here. It is 6,750, 4,500, and 2,250. Okay. And let us see what to transfer. Then only one treatment is left, that is of goodwill. So see, we have computed goodwill. What is the goodwill? X is giving 33,750 and Z is giving 11,250. Okay. X is giving 33,750. 33,750 X is giving, and Y is giving 11,250. 11,250. Z is giving 11,250. So we write here by X capital account and by Z's capital account, they are giving this much amount for goodwill. So this much amount must be deducted from X. So 33,750 we deduct from X capital account and 11,250 we deduct from Z's capital account. Learn this treatment, children. Now they are giving to Y's capital account. So this is one treatment of goodwill in case of retirement and death also. Okay, children, all the points are over in the question. Yes, now we can do the total. First, we always do the total of partner who is taking retirement. A simple practice. So let us do the total for Y. 1 lakh. 2,44,500. Okay, so where we transfer to Y's
Loan
loan
account.
account, 2,44,500. Okay, now let us do total for X. 2,24,250. 2,24,250 minus 33,750. 1,90,500. Right here, two balance carried down. This is the balancing figure, which will be transferred to partner's capital account. Let us do the total for Z.
Sir, it is 1,74,750.
1,74,750. Thank you. Very good.
And balancing figure 1,63,500.
1,63,500. Very good. Thank you. 1,74,750 is the total. So this is their partner's capital account. All treatments are very clear, I hope. Okay. Let us prepare balance sheet. So X
Yes.
capital, you can see we have prepared capital account 1,90,500. Z's capital 1,63,500. Let us do the total 1,90,500 plus 1,63,500. It will be 3,54,000. 3,54,000. Then loan account of Y. Y's loan account. How much? Y's loan account will be 2,44,500. Okay, 2 lakh for here it is given. Fine. Then let us see balance sheet. In balance sheet, creditors are 30,000. Is there any change in creditors? There is no change in creditors. So creditors will come 30,000. Then expenses owing 45,000, but now it is to be 37,500. So expenses owing 37,500. Okay. And then bills payable, there is no change in bills payable, 45,000. Okay, bills payable 45,000. And general reserve we have distributed. All these points are over. Yes, all these points are over. Now come, let us start with asset side. Cash in hand 15,000. Cash in hand will be 15,000. Then cash at bank 75,000. Okay. Then debtors 1,50,000. There is no change in debtors. And then stock 1,20,000. Stock, there is no change in stock, 1,20,000. Fine. Then factory premises are to be valued 2,43,000. 2,43,000 factory premises. Okay. Then machinery 10% less to 72,000. Machinery will come 72,000. It is reduced by 10%. And Loose tools are to be also be reduced by 10%. So 40,000, 36,000 loose tools. Do the total, children.
Sir,
And
7,11,000.
of which side?
Liability.
7,11,000. Calculate for asset side also.
Alright.
Okay. 7,11,000 of asset side also. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Yes, children.